Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. This is, I believe this is part 3 of the total headlight restoration video. Again, there's many videos out there using many different products, and there's a whole lot of great products, and I have quite a few of those products, and they've worked in the past, and I'm just taking a different approach. Initially, I was doing this, and this is a rubbing compound. Like I said in the other video, it had settled in all the water or whatever liquid was on top, so I stirred it up. It worked great. The headlight looked good and usable, but it still had some bug spots and other imperfections that I was not happy with, that I would not want to clear coat over. So that being said, I'll zoom out here. I went ahead and put the drill attachment on, and I put the 1500 grit. So I've gone over the whole thing. This is dry now, and obviously that 1500 grit is a whole bunch more abrasive than the rubbing compound. The rubbing compound did get a truckload of that oxidation off. It went from yellow to clear. But I wanted the imperfections off, and running my hand over it, feeling it, they're not there anymore. I don't know if you can see, or if you even could before, but they're gone. I did about 2 or 3 times with that drill attachment, and this is the 1500 grit. And you want to keep your headlight wet, follow the directions on whatever you're using, but even if you're using that, this is already wet. It's like Oklahoma mud, really. But the next step I'm going to take here is either I'm going to do the 2000 grit or use that again based on how great it was. Might do both. I don't know. But we'll see. And I'm also going to use the MetalPolish, white diamond metal polish. It's worked great for me in the past. It's great for a touch-up. So if the headlight is done and it's not clear coated, which I didn't used to do, I'd come up to my headlight maybe 6 months later and wipe it down real quick, and this would work fantastic. I'd really recommend this product for a whole lot of applications. So yeah, this is where we're at now. I know the headlight's all faded, but that's because we've taken that top layer of imperfections, I'll call it. Top layer of imperfections off, the bug spots and what have you. That rubbing compound just was not abrasive enough. So now this is as smooth as can be, and we'll go on to the next step. And we'll check back in a little bit.